Hello guys, it's Anshjelm, and today I have this donated 2 kilogram or 4.4 pounds weight to restore, to make it shine again. I think it's a pretty good shape, only rusty and there's some mold on it, but anyway I think this is a good product to restore and maybe put on the shelf in the new studio. But I don't know what to do with it. I kind of waiting here. See what I did? Yeah, I don't know. Should I sandblast this and polish it, or should I go with the painting route? If I'm going to put it on a shelf on my new studio, I think should I go more like Anshjelm restoration colors like orange and black, or should I make it shiny? I don't know. I'm a little bit going to the painting side. What would you do? Tell me in the comments, did I choose the right path or would you choose something different? So in the comments, type it there. But without further ado, let's start this project.